Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Xiaomi Smart Band 4. Let's check out the box and see what kind of information we can find here. Here it says that this band has a heart monitor, is waterproof up to 50 meters and comes with music controls as well. There's a lot of other information, but let's open this box up for now. Gently pull out the white cardboard box. You can see the Smart Band 4 in a plastic wrapper. Let's take it out. This is what the Mi Smart Band 4 looks like. It looks quite sleek and the texture of the band seems waterproof. Let's take it out of the band for a closer look. You will notice the sensors at the back, the charging pins along with the Xiaomi logo. Let's put them back together. This band seems highly adjustable as there are a lot of grooves. This will be a good fit on almost anyone's wrist. Let's keep the band to a side and look at what else is there in the box. This is a charging dock for the device. The other end is attached to a USB port. And that's all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.